So YouTube is down. It's been down, not exactly sure, but I noticed it about half an hour ago. Probably a bit longer than once I get this video up. If you look, go on youtube.com, it says something went wrong. Try again. Just reloads the page. Nothing different. I've tried this on a couple computers and it doesn't seem to make any difference. Also, just looking it up, there does seem to be some recent articles about YouTube being down worldwide. So it seems to be quite a big problem. I'm not signed in, but I have tried and I have been signed in. Even though it says something wrong, you can't actually see any videos here. Let's try shorts, for example. Nothing happens. Subscriptions, because I'm not signed in. If I do search something, I can't find it. Let's say, type hello. And you can see, for example, videos do come up when you search them. If I click on a random video, you can see the video does play and you can see everything is here, but it just seems to be the home page for now that it is broken. Looks like this is, we've done that, it's fixed itself. So I guess YouTube is back now. YouTube has magically fixed itself. Is that AI? Who knows? Yeah, it looks like as we're making this video, YouTube has fixed itself. So I guess YouTube is no longer down. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts, ideas, fusions, subscribe. See videos like this in the future.